Houston, are you there? Houston, everything's on schedule. As expected, work is running without incident. Repair of the awning fixed. You've given us good hand tools. It's a wonderful view from up here. Everything seems so peaceful down there. Houston, do you see what I see? Hey, you down there. Please report. The connection interrupted. Something big is racing straight for you. Houston? Houston! Houston, is that what I think? From up here it looks beautiful.
Tom is on his way home when he gets a call from his wife, Alice. She's pleased that their new bed has been delivered. Tom is supposed to set it up later today. Because he has no tools at home, he stops off at Smith's, a tools specialist. Tom doesn't know his way around and asks the shopkeeper for help. Mr. Smith shows him 3 tool cases. The first case is very expensive, €749. The second case is by a secondary brand of a premium label, and at a price of €399.90, significantly cheaper than the premium label, but still not exactly a bargain. The third case costs only €249.90 and also has a lot more tools in the set. Tom asks the shopkeeper how the large price differences come about. Mr. Smith explains the service provided by the most expensive brand. It includes sales of spare parts, technical advice, operating instructions, a repair service, trade shows, torque wrench calibration, after-sales service, field service consultation, infomobiles, application videos, and training courses. Tom is not impressed. As a private user, he doesn't need all these service features. So why should he pay more? And why is the case so much more expensive? Because it's made in Germany. The second case is less expensive than the premium label, but the quality is lower too. Also, the price is still more than Tom had hoped for. He keeps on looking around and then asks the shopkeeper which case he prefers. Mr. Smith recommends the case by KS Tools. But why does it cost only a third of the first case and nearly half of the red case? It even comes with more tools. The shopkeeper, Mr. Smith, explains the difference. KS Tools offers at least the same service as the premium label, and in addition, 360-degree images, unboxing, and service videos. While the other brands are both over 150 years old, KS Tools has only been in the market for 25 years. KS Tools is rated as one of the top brands for tools, is very active and outstandingly customer-oriented. Perhaps not all of the tools are made in Germany, but they all have the same quality. Tom is almost convinced, but this tool set still costs as much as his new bed. Besides, Tom is over 50 and hardly ever needs tools at all. After this exhaustive advice, he still favors the KS Tools offer. But because he doesn't need the tools every day and doesn't need the service at all, he doesn't want to spend that much money. Does Mr. Smith have something more affordable in stock, something which still offers more than just do-it-yourself quality? Now the shopkeeper, Mr. Smith, has a problem. He doesn't want to lose his potential customer to the hardware store or the internet, but his previous tool partners offer no solution for this customer group. In fact, he's frequently being asked for cheaper offers, also by many customers from other countries. A lot of them can't afford his present offers. Now, what do you do, Mr. Smith? This apparent controversy, quality at a low price, is a market niche. It seems impossible. It seems contradictory, but actually, it's not impossible. How does the pricing of a product come about? What influences does it follow? The price of a tool results from the sum of many investments. These include manufacturing cost, sales representatives, product research cost, advertising expenses, demo vans, technical support, individual part sales, manuals, after-sales service, calibration service, technical trainings, application videos, product images, 360-degree pictures, and unboxing service videos. KS Tools sets other priorities and can thus reduce the dealer price and the retail price, and that despite the fact that it's investing more in digital media and online communication. Regardless of these priorities, the price of a product also comes through to achievements that are sometimes irrelevant to an end user. After all, why should someone bear costs and pay for services that he or she does not use as an end user? Imagine, therefore, you do it without cost lines or reduce benefits without sacrificing quality and practicability. Revolutionary. We call it consistent. Impossible. We call it customer-friendly. Brilliant. We call it logical. Brilliant tools. The world of brilliant tools is straightforward and refreshingly simple. We value a product and category portfolio that is guaranteed to succeed. We only start with non-advice intensive bestseller products in 36 product groups. We make the brand come alive. We offer contemporary online brand communication in more than 25 languages. Young, dynamic, informative, and minimalistic. With a clear product range subdivision in hand tools and automotive special tools. With detailed information. With the over 200-page catalogue and a worldwide valid price list. In German, English, and French, 3 languages in one catalogue. With flip PDF or downloadable. Ad-free. Including all information, Available anytime, anywhere, worldwide. And of course, also offline, completely analog, tangible, black and white, smart. Welcome to Brilliant Tools.